Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic tool that every gardener and landscaper should consider adding to their arsenal, the ARS HP-VS8Z signature heavy-duty pruner. We found this exceptional product online and have included a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what the ARS HP-VS8Z really is. This pruner is designed for those who need a reliable cutting tool that can handle a variety of pruning tasks. Whether you're trimming back shrubs, shaping trees, or managing your garden, this heavy-duty pruner is built to perform. One of the standout features of the ARS HP-VS8Z is its hard chrome-plated blades. This unique coating not only enhances the sharpness of the blades but also provides excellent rust and sap protection. This means you can expect clean cuts without the worry of corrosion affecting the performance over time. Another impressive aspect of this pruner is its high-quality spring. It's engineered for increased durability, which is essential when you're tackling tougher branches. A sturdy spring means that the pruner can withstand extensive use without losing its effectiveness, making it a smart choice for both casual gardeners and professionals. Comfort is also a priority with this tool. The non-slip coated, ergonomic handles are designed for continued use, allowing you to work for longer periods without discomfort. The 8-inch size is perfect for average-sized hands, ensuring that you have a good grip while making precise cuts. This ergonomic design helps reduce hand fatigue, which is a significant advantage during long gardening sessions. So, who is the ARS HP-VS8Z suitable for? It's perfect for both amateur gardeners and seasoned professionals who need a pruner that offers both quality and performance. If you're someone who enjoys maintaining your garden or landscape, this pruner will meet your needs. It's also a great option for landscape professionals who require reliable tools that can handle daily use. Now, let's explore some practical use cases for this heavy-duty pruner. If you have overgrown rose bushes, the ARS HP-VS8Z is ideal for trimming those thorny stems back to encourage new growth. Similarly, if you're working with fruit trees, you'll find that this pruner can easily cut through branches to help maintain their shape and health. For those who enjoy a well-manicured garden, this pruner can help with shaping hedges and keeping your plants healthy. The sharp, precise cuts ensure that you're not damaging the plant, which is crucial for maintaining its health and encouraging new growth. Another practical use is during the fall season, when it's time to clean up your garden. The ARS HP-VS8Z makes it easy to cut back perennials and tidy up your outdoor space before winter sets in. In summary, if you're looking for a durable, reliable, and comfortable pruner, the ARS HP-VS8Z signature heavy-duty pruner is a fantastic choice. With its hard chrome-plated blades, durable spring, and ergonomic handles, it's designed to make your pruning tasks easier and more efficient. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.